Hello and welcome to this Stara Polska channel video where we will see how to use the David Rumsey map collection to find maps of old Poland. This video is part of an ongoing series that provides you with tools, techniques, and resources to help you use maps of old Poland to find the places where your Polish ancestors lived. Stara Polska channel videos cover a range of topics, with the focus of this video being on using sources to access maps of old Poland. Before we get going, a brief disclaimer. Some of these map sources are not the easiest to navigate through. There may be easier ways to find and access maps than the way shown here. Also, the sites themselves get reorganized from time to time. So consider what you see here to be a starting point in your efforts. So for this first video on map sources of old Poland, we'll see how to search for and access maps from the David Rumsey map collection. As with many of the map sources we'll be covering on this channel, the David Rumsey collection has maps from around the world, many of which are available online. First, we'll see how to search for maps. On the collection's home page, click on the View Collection tab, and then click Map Rank Search. On the Map Rank Search page, use the controls to center the map on Poland. Now use the slider bar at the bottom of the screen to select a time period. Here we are going to look for maps in the range of 1600 to 1700. The right section of the screen shows instant search results that change as you change the map area and the time sliders. The maps shown here all fall in the geographic area and time span that you specify. Let's see what this year 1600 map of Silesia looks like. Here's the map and the metadata telling us about the map. If we zoom in on the map, it has nice detail and good resolution, so we can easily pick out names and locations of places. The map also gives us an idea of what each place was. To download the map, click on Export and then choose a resolution. You'll probably want extra large for the best resolution. And here is the high-res download of the map. Other videos on the Stara Polska channel will present more sources of historical maps of Poland, but our next video in this series will show one way to find places on historical maps. We hope you find this video to be helpful and join us for additional videos on this channel. And as always, please subscribe to find out when new videos are available.